debating, and he's made up his mind.
Doesn't know whether he wants to go or not.
No!
When he's got his clothes on, it's no problem. Come on, love.
Join his party like
You can do it.
all the damn time.
Go. Hurry.
Yeah.
Yay, baby.
He's gonna pick up something on the floor. The floor's too cold for her.
Damn.
Where are you going, Isaiah?
Look at Grandma. Go to Grandma.
Come on, it's cold. Come on.
No! Do
Let's
it.
turn him this way. Ready?
Okay.
Come on, Spider-Man.
Go. Stop like Grandma. Stop like Grandma. Nope, you gotta come over here. Come on. Hurry. Get here. Come here. Come here. Ew. Dude, you don't want to move, do you?
Come on, Spider-Man.
Come on. Hurry.
No!
Hurry. Come on.
He's gonna walk instead of crawl.
I know, huh? Come here. Move that booty. Move that booty.
He's making his way over here.
Yeah, you were waiting for the grab, weren't you?
Come on, Isaiah.
Come on. Do you need Mama's help? Are you tired?
Damn it, that was amazing.